Some popular apps available on Samsung smart TVs contain code that lets strangers route their traffic through the TV owner's internet connection. And Samsung's here to stop that. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The code was found in a Pac-Man app that Samsung had featured in the Editor's Choice section of its recommended apps for its smart TVs. Collectively, the apps that contain the code claim to have hundreds of millions of downloads. According to Mnemonic, the code creates a residential proxy. These aren't new, but they are relied on for everything, from AI training to malicious activity. Mnemonic says malicious threat actors, AI companies, and data aggression firms share a common problem. Their traffic needs to appear legitimate or they risk getting blocked. Routing traffic through a clean IP address goes a long way toward evading traditional IP reputation checks. In a statement, Samsung said it's banning and removing apps that contain this functionality. Samsung spokesperson said, "We've already restricted new app registrations that incorporate such proxy functionalities on our smart TV platform. We're currently implementing strict platform-wide developer policies explicitly banning residential proxy SDKs, and we're working to identify and remove all apps currently available in our store that contain these components." Mnemonic said that your TV isn't necessarily turned into a residential proxy just because you downloaded one of the affected apps. However, it can be at the flip of a remotely controlled switch. Samsung also isn't the only smart TV manufacturer with this problem. Last month, LG said it would ban residential proxies and apps on the WebOS platform that powers its TVs after researchers found them in 42% of apps on its store. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.